Hello everyone, I am Buck WSR Weezer, putting the do into do-it-yourself. And my do-it-yourself project today is a little Craftsman riding lawnmower. And among other things that I'm doing with it, it's got some issues. One of the things that always frustrates me on some of these Briggs Stratton engines is this little supposedly convenient oil change valve. You see this on the end of the tractor. Now, particularly in a setup like this, how is it even possible to conveniently change the oil with that thing? I think it's been leaking all over the place, and I got dirt and grime and oil all over the place. I'm changing the oil with it right now by elevating the back of the tractor a little bit, so I got a little incline towards the oil pan. Piece of cardboard under there, because even if I just open that valve up, it's still right on top of the tray on which the engine's sitting, and I'd have a huge mess. My guess is the oil's probably never been changed in this thing, or if it has, it made such a big mess, and then all the dirt mixed in with it. It's a real mess. So I'm going to show you today how to get rid of that convenient, in quotes, stupid little oil drain valve. I really hate those things, and we'll come up with a better alternative. So let's let it drain out, and then I'll come back. I'll show you what we're going to do. All right, so we're still draining here, but I'm going to go ahead and show you the next step. I got a nice big wrench. This is a 15/16, and I'm just going to take off that guy, leaving my cardboard under there. So it can continue to drain even once I take this off. I just hate these things so much. And in an engine setup like this, I'm repeating myself, it's just totally impractical. There's no easy way to change the oil with this supposedly convenient valve. I think we about got it. Alright, he's off. Throw him in the trash. I hate these things. Alright, let's let it drain a little bit more. I'm going to clean it up, and then we'll come back with a more permanent and I think adequate solution. Here's our strategy. This is the old leaking, useless valve. And now what we have is a couple of pieces of different lengths of this iron pipe, threaded iron pipe. These nipples of different sizes, a 90 elbow, and then a plug. So we're going to assemble this. I'm going to take this one, it's the longest I have. Actually, I think in my particular situation, if I had one that was an inch longer than this, it would be even better. Yeah, I guess you could put some sealant on those threads. You don't have to. I really don't think it's going to leak, and they never leak on me. But if you want to put some thread sealant on it or Teflon tape, I guess you could. I'm not going to worry about it. Okay, then here's the 90. I'm going to put him on next. And of course also the plug. You can get these things at Home Depot or a hardware store or something. Alright, so I'm just tightening it. Hopefully my wires aren't going to be in the way here. Yeah, you can put a wrench on it. I'm just going hand tight. And that's really all that I'm going to need to do. So you can see I'm right there at the edge of the tray. If I had a ½ inch more, it would be better, because then I could just turn this completely straight down. As it is, it'll still drain fine. I just put my drain pan down here when it comes time to change the oil. I'm never going to have leaks all over this tray and all that mess that I've been laboring to clean up now. It's going to be leak free. It's going to make for an easy oil change when it comes time to do that again. You just put a tray under here and remove this plug. And that's it. And to me, that's a far better design. Thank you for joining me on this video. I hope that little tip is of value to you in your small engine projects. Buck Weezer signing off saying, I will see you on the next video. Bye.